Welcome to 5-Minute Coding, SQL series. Let's get coding. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to install MySQL on a Windows computer. First, go to the MySQL website at mysql.com. Click Downloads. Then scroll down and click MySQL Community Downloads. Then click the MySQL Installer for Windows. And click the second download button. Now on this screen you don't need to log in or create an account. Just click on Start My Download. Then select the location where you want to save the file and wait for it to download. Once the download has completed, open the file to install the MySQL Installer for Windows. Once it finishes, the installer will open automatically. Now, some of the installation options can run into problems because they try to install software that integrates with other tools that you might not have on your computer. So to avoid that, I'll demonstrate a custom installation process that should work for everyone. And you can always run the installation program again later if you need to install any other options. So click Custom, and then click Next. Under Available Products, expand the MySQL Servers options and select the last entry. Of course, the version number may be different when you do your installation. Then click the right arrow to add it to Products to be installed. Then under Applications, expand the MySQL Workbench and select the last entry and click the right arrow. Then repeat this process for MySQL documentation. And then also for samples and examples. This will install a couple of sample databases for you to practice with. Now you're ready to click Next. Note that when you click Next, some of you may see a screen that looks like this. If you do get this screen, go ahead and click Execute to install the Microsoft Redistributable package. Most of you will not see this message because you probably already have this package installed on your computer. Once you get to the installation screen, click Execute. Once it finishes, click Next. Click Next on the product configuration screen. And you can click Next to accept the defaults on this screen. And on this screen. On this screen you need to enter a password for the root user account for MySQL. Make this something simple you won't forget, because if you do forget it, there is no way to recover it without reinstalling. Then click Next. And Next again to accept the defaults on this screen. Click Next one more time to accept these defaults as well. Then click Execute on the Apply Configuration screen. Once that's done, click Finish. Then click Next to set up the sample databases. You need to enter the root password you created previously. And then click the Check button. And then click Next. And Execute. Once that's done, click Finish. And click Next one last time. Once you reach the Installation Complete screen, click Finish to launch the MySQL Workbench. When the Workbench opens, you'll see a screen like this. In the next video, I'll show you how to log in and verify that your installation is working correctly. And I'll also show you the basics of how to use the MySQL Workbench. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and check out the other videos in this 5-Minute Coding series.